put this value for r into equation 2. So that means taking 2 and 3 together. 2 and 3 together, we'll get 3g minus root 2 into r, which is 4 root 2f, is equal to 3f. G minus root 2 by root 2 is 2 by 4 is 8, 8f is equal to 3f, which gives us 3g is equal to 11f, f equals 3g over 11. And we'll call this equation 4. And now taking equation 1 and 4 together, we get g is equal to root 2a minus f, which is minus 3g over 11. And we can maybe multiply across by 11. 11g is equal to 11 root 2a minus 3g, and that gives 8g, sorry, it's 14g. 11 plus 3g is 14g, is equal to 11 root 2a. A is equal to 14g over 11 root 2. And that's meters per second squared. Now, and that's what we're looking for, the relative acceleration, which is a. Now the last part of the question, part 3. Find how far the wedge has travelled when the particle has moved a distance of 1 meter. So now it reduces to a linear motion question, because we start from rest, we're starting at 0, and so that's our u value, and we've also worked out the acceleration a, and we have a distance of 1 meter, so we can summarize all that information. So for part 3 of the question, u is equal to 0, a is equal to, we just worked it out to be, well, a is 14g over 11 root 2, and the distance s is 1 meter. And the question asks us find how far it has travelled when. The key word here is when, because they're looking for after a certain time, and we need that time first before we can calculate the next part. So t is what we're looking for. T equals question mark. So we use s equals ut plus a half at squared. Fill it in. 1 is equal to 0 plus a half a, which is 14g over root 2 over 11 root 2 by t squared, and this gives us t squared is equal to 22 root 2 over 14g, or dividing above and below by 2, 11 root 2 over 7g. That's t squared. And lastly, we want to find out how far the wedge has travelled in that time. So it's a question of, again, for the wedge starts from rest also, so it's u equals 0. A for the wedge is actually f, which worked out to be 3g over 11. And t we already have now from up here, we got t squared, so we can easily get t, and we're looking for s, how far has the wedge travelled. So s is the question mark, and that means we can use s equals ut plus a half at squared again. S is equal to 0 times t, which is 0 plus a half a, which should be 3g over 11. Let's change that. A half into 3g over 11 by t squared, which is this quantity up here, 11 root 2 over 7g. And the reason why I didn't use a calculator up to now is because things often cancel at the end. So, good general rule, don't reach for a calculator until you absolutely have to. That's in all questions. 11 cancels and g cancels, and we're left with s is equal to 3. We just have to be left with a 3, a root 2, and 2 sevens 14. So it's 3 root 2 over 14 meters.